Hey everyone, let me introduce you to the brand new SuperKilometerFilter Ghost module. And this one is designed exclusively for BMW and Rolls-Royce vehicles. Here's the big upgrade. The new device no longer requires removing the dashboard or taking out the speedometer. Installation is now super simple. It goes straight into the passenger side below the glove box in the system panel. Fast, clean, and hassle-free. If you press and hold the BC button for 10 seconds, the module shuts down completely and enters Mode 5. With no display, no hazard lights, nothing visible. And unlike before, you can no longer change modes using the steering wheel. Mode changes are done only through the app, and the hazard lights show you which mode is active. This is the most advanced mileage filter yet. Check it out now at SuperKilometerFilter.com.